Ever since the day that you went away.
Hey guys, me Akila. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'd love for you guys to join. So, for today's video, well, currently, I'm getting ready to make myself some breakfast, probably just cereal, and I'm gonna get the house cleaned, and today is house tour day, so you guys can see what our housing is like, and we live on a military base, so this is like what our housing is like. I'm probably not going to go outside and show you. Well, I can show you the backyard, but I'm not going to go out to the front yard. I'm just going to keep it simple and show the inside of the house. And yeah, so now I'm just going to make myself some cereal and then clean up the house. And then once I'm done cleaning up the house, I'm probably going to film the house tour and just connect it with this little part right here. So that is what I'll be doing, and I'll get back to you guys in a bit. Hey guys, I'm back. And I'm going to be filming the house tour now. And like I said, we live on post, so this is the inside, the front door, as you can see. And then when you turn, this is the living room. Is it for the house tour. I would go through and talk and say like where everything's at and like where I got it, but I'm not gonna do that. I just did a quick little house tour because this is what our housing is like, just like a normal housing, but like it's kind of like a duplex because there's another house connected to ours. So we live in like a duplex. I'll show you guys the backyard actually. There's my puppies. So yeah, it's kind of like a duplex. But yeah, that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you'd like. Thanks for watching. Bye.